Creating a safe home environment is a top priority for any family, especially when young children are involved. While windows bring in natural light and fresh air, they can also pose safety risks if not properly designed or secured. For families in Dallas, choosing child-safe window options is an important step in protecting loved ones while maintaining comfort and functionality. One of the most effective ways to improve window safety is by selecting designs that limit how far a window can open. Window restrictors are a popular feature that prevents the sash from opening beyond a certain point. This allows for ventilation without creating a large enough opening for a child to climb through. These simple yet effective devices are especially useful in bedrooms and upper-level spaces where safety is a greater concern. Double-hung windows are another family-friendly option. These windows have two operable sashes, but many modern designs allow the top sash to open while keeping the bottom sash closed. This feature is ideal for households with children because it lets fresh air enter from above, out of reach of curious hands. It's a practical way to balance ventilation with safety. Casement windows can also be a safe choice when equipped with proper hardware. Since they open outward using a crank mechanism, they are less accessible for small children to operate. The locking system is typically positioned higher on the frame, adding an extra layer of protection. This design makes it more difficult for children to accidentally open the window. Another important feature to consider is tempered or laminated glass. These types of glass are designed to be stronger and safer than standard glass. If broken, tempered glass shatters into small, less harmful pieces, while laminated glass holds together due to an inner layer. In busy households, this added durability helps reduce the risk of injury from accidental impacts. Window locks and latches are essential for maintaining a secure environment. Modern windows often come with multi-point locking systems that provide a tighter seal and improved security. For families in Dallas, ensuring that all windows have functioning locks is a simple but crucial step in preventing accidents. Regularly checking these locks helps ensure they remain effective over time. Window guards are another option for enhancing safety, particularly in multi-story homes. These guards are installed over the window opening to prevent falls while still allowing airflow. They are especially useful in children's bedrooms or play areas. When properly installed, window guards provide peace of mind without compromising the benefits of natural light and ventilation. Cordless window treatments are also an important consideration. Traditional blinds with dangling cords can pose a strangulation risk for young children. Switching to cordless blinds or shades eliminates this hazard while maintaining privacy and light control. Many modern window treatments are designed with both safety and convenience in mind. Placement and design also play a role in window safety. Keeping furniture such as beds, chairs, or tables away from windows reduces the chances of children climbing up and reaching them. Additionally, choosing window styles that are installed higher on the wall can help limit access while still providing light and airflow. Professional installation is key to ensuring all safety features function as intended. Properly installed windows fit securely within the frame and operate smoothly, reducing the risk of gaps or malfunctions. Experienced installers can also recommend the best safety features based on your home's layout and your family's needs. In addition to safety, these window options also support comfort and efficiency. Many child-safe windows are designed with energy-efficient features that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Dallas, where temperatures can rise significantly, this helps keep your home cool while maintaining a safe environment for your family. Maintenance is another important aspect. Regularly inspecting your windows, locks, and safety devices ensures they continue to perform properly. Keeping tracks clean and hardware in good condition helps maintain both safety and functionality. In the end, child-safe window options provide a balance between protection and everyday comfort. For families in Dallas, choosing the right features, from restrictors and secure locks to durable glass and cordless treatments, can make a meaningful difference. By investing in safer window solutions, you can create a home that supports your family's well-being while still enjoying the benefits of natural light and fresh air.